what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shelby, aka Simply Shelby. Welcome back, or if you're new here, hey, what's up? Welcome. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I style my hair. So if you're interested in seeing how I style my hair with just a simple blow dry brush, I love it if you stick around. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you're feeling the vibes, and turn on post notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let's get into it. Okay, first things first, with the hair, you want to start with the prep. The prep is really important to making sure that your hair is gonna look nice and flowy and fluffy and voluminous. So let me show y'all what I use for prepping the hair. So I just washed my hair and got out of the shower, so my hair is still wet, and what I like to do is put in a leave-in conditioner. So this is the one by Kristen S. It's a weightless shine leave-in conditioner. I put this in my hair to kind of help detangle it. So if you have a leave-in conditioner or any type of hair detangler, I would definitely recommend to use that first. And then what I go in with next is the B&B Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Primer. Make sure to use some type of heat protectant. I like this one because I feel like it doesn't leave my hair feeling sticky or thick or greasy, anything like that. So I like to put this normally on the end. This is where I focus it. So like the end of the hair, but I'll also put it up here and all throughout the hair. And then after you put in the products, brush out your hair and make sure that it is nice and smooth before we start blow drying. Okay, now I can brush my hair easily without my comb getting stuck through the hair. So that's basically what you want, is your hair to be nice and smooth so that you can brush through it really easily and seamlessly before we start blow drying. And another hair care thing, I like to use some type of serum. This is the Fanola NutriCare serum. I like to just use a little bit on the ends of my hair. I'm almost done with this, so I'm gonna start using a new serum soon probably, but I gotta get out what I can of this, and I just apply this on the ends. That's just added protection, especially since my hair is bleached. So if you have colored hair, bleached hair, anything like that, like make sure you're doing what you can to protect the hair. So now we have the hair nice and protected, and put in the products that we want to use for this. Okay, so if you're like me and you want the Dyson, but you're not trying to drop that much money on a Dyson right now, I found this nice little blow dry brush by FOXY at Winners in Canada. So it would be like the equivalent of a TJ Maxx in the US. But yeah, go to your TJ Maxx, go to your local Winners, see if you can pick up a brush like this. This one is really cute, it's simple to use, there's only 3 settings. So, and it was only like $50, so I'm saving hundreds of dollars by using this, and I feel like I am able to get my hair nice and fluffy in the way that I want it to look, so a lot easier. First thing you want to do is section your hair. Now this might be better for shorter hair. If you have long hair, I would still section it out, but it's probably going to take you a lot longer to blow dry the hair. I feel like because my hair is so short right now, it blow dries pretty fast, so I just leave the bottom out, and then you kind of want to just clip up the top half. Now when I'm blow drying, I'm not going to even attempt to talk because it's going to be way too loud, but basically you want to start with the pieces, and as you go, so I'm not turning this on yet, but you'll put the hair in the brush, and if your hair is brushed through, like, it's going to go through smoothly. So basically as I am blow drying, I'm going to be twirling this inwards to create like a nice effect once the hair is dry. So let me start blow drying the bottom and get to work. Okay, so basically now this first bottom layer is dry. It literally takes only a couple minutes because my hair is really short and thin, so it dries pretty fast. So next thing, we are gonna take the top half, but before I take the top half, I like to section this bang part, which the bang is like the most important thing of this look. So how I do this is basically, you wanna part the hair, and I'm gonna look into my mirror to make sure like I'm parting it in the middle, but basically you wanna part your hair in the middle, and I'll show you what to do from there. And it doesn't have to be perfect for this part because in the end, we're gonna be blow drying the bangs anyways, but once you kind of have it parted in the middle, comb it to the side. My hair is getting a little bit tangled, but basically what you want to do is kind of make a triangle shape with your hair, almost like grabbing the bangs part, but a little bit more because I feel like I like the whole front to be nice and flowy. So basically you want to create a triangle, so get both sides and kind of create this triangle effect that is gonna be your bang part or the front part of the hair when you're kind of creating the nice flowy effect. So here's my section. I am just gonna clip it up and put it out of the way because we are gonna finish the rest. And I have these annoying baby hairs or whatever they are, breakage probably at this point because I bleached my hair and now I think I have breakage, so that's the issue of bleaching. But basically what I did for the bottom part, we're now gonna do to this top part or the other half of the hair. So again, you're gonna take the brush, you're gonna go in and do this sweeping like inward motion to blow dry the hair. So let's blow dry this part and we'll get to the most important part. Okay, now we got the sides. They're nice and curved in, which is what we want to give that nice full effect. So we have the rest of the hair blow dried. Now with the last part, this is where it's gonna take the most amount of effort, but it pays off. So for this last part, I would recommend getting a hair roller if you have one. I have these ones by DRYBAR. I got them off of Amazon, I think. And I'm using the smaller roller. Then you want to get some type of clip, preferably one that doesn't crease the hair or isn't supposed to crease the hair. I have these ones here, which are nice and simple and they lay flat. So we have these two things, which is necessary or not necessary, but like definitely highly recommend to get the look. Like you can still get a nice wave with just a brush, but I recommend those things. So now we're gonna take out this section that we created. And what's important about this is, for me, I'm gonna go in and instead of going inward like earlier, we're gonna go above and like basically bring it up, okay? Like think of like you're curling your hair up almost into like a wave, you know what I'm saying? But then as you're drying the hair, something you're gonna see me do is I like to take it to the sides as well once your hair is getting drier, and then you're gonna do the same thing but take it to the side. And do that to both sides, so like the right and left, and then that helps create like more of a wave to your hair. My hair is getting a little bit tangled as I'm doing this, so I'm gonna start the process and then we'll be putting in the roller at the end to kind of let it sit. So let me dry the hair. Okay, I dried it, and this is really important. So you're gonna take the hair and you're gonna grab your roller. You're gonna put the roller in and put the hair under like this. and you're gonna roll it towards your face, bam, and then you're gonna just clip it in at the top, bloop, and there you go. So you're gonna let this sit for, I don't know, like 5-10 minutes. Like, let it sit for a little bit and let it just like hopefully create that shape that you're looking for. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and then we'll pop right back in. Okay, we let it sit, we let it cook up in there. So now we are gonna release the Kraken, release the hair. Okay, let's release it. So basically take out your little pan, and what you're gonna wanna do is kind of just do like a fast, quick down motion. Bam, and we release it. So the only thing that I struggle with lately is my stinking baby hairs I told you about, but look at this volume at the top. Like, it is looking really good, except we got the baby hairs. But yeah, this is how I get my hair to look like this. So basically I'm just gonna comb it out and style it a little bit. And like I said, if you have baby hairs like me, it is what it is. I feel like at this point, they just do their own thing. Like, I'm not trying to tame them. They just like live, okay? They live. And I don't even think they're baby hairs. I mean the breakage. But basically, like, this is how it's looking. Like, look at the volume, the fluff. Okay, let me style it fully and then we'll show you all how it looks. Okay, here's the hair. So I parted it to the side a little bit. That was scary, the Google went off. So anyways, let's restart that. Okay, so here's how the hairs look. So I parted it to the side a little bit, and we have the nice swoop of the volume. We have the volume here, and it's giving really pretty glam. It's giving nice and volume. Now for my little breakage here, you know, I could try to take some hairspray or some water and try to tame them, but at this point, they just live. I don't even really care. And you know, whatever, these things up here. But basically, this is how I get my hair to look like this. Comment down below what you think, or if you try out this method, or if you have your own method or tips on these little guys, let me know. I would love to know how to tame these because they're really annoying. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little hair tutorial, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day. If you haven't subscribed already, I would love it if you subscribe, join the Shell Squad, give this video a big thumbs up if you felt the vibes, and turn on post notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!